Live action.
Alright guys, so for our private little beach we are cooking a little pizza. So
Little? That says large.
Yeah.
12-inch.
It's got 2
Jeez, I hate to see you think what small is.
No. So we're going to show you how to make a pizza in 2 minutes flat.
Hawaiian pizza.
Hawaiian with salami.
So what do we got? Got ham, cheese, salami, pineapple chunks, pizza base.
And pizza and sauce. And this is all from Aldi, and this probably all costs, I don't know, 30 bucks maybe? You reckon?
I reckon it's cheaper than 30 bucks.
Hey.
You buy a bag of cheese and you get to reuse it and the ham and all that. So, and the pizza stuff, we've used that heaps of times, that pizza base, for more than just one pizza.
We used it heaps. I don't even know if it's in date anymore.
Righto. We're wasting time and I'm getting hungry.
Alright, anyways.
2 minutes, you said?
Let's make a pizza.
Right, I got 55 seconds left. Oh yeah. We want some crust. They're big boy salamis. Oh. Don't waste any.
Oopsie. Cooking it straight.
Look at that. 200 degrees, straight on the grill. Little meshy thing if we don't tip all the cheese off it.
I don't know, see you
Bang!
soon.
Go. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Look at that. Now we'll get it across and see what it's like.
Wow.